Welcome to CAD station. Today we are going to draw a cart as you can see on screen. This is our cart. First we will design the parts and then we assemble this to make this model cart. So let's start. First of all, here is our first part 1. Let's start. First I'm going to part end, okay, and I'm going to draw in millimeters. It's up to you. You can select inches or any other unit you want. You can see this the main part is of 120 dia and its length is 440, 120 or by 440. I'm going to take a right plane, sketch, circle of dia. Its dia is 120 and I have to extrude it up to 440. Okay, you can see it's 440 now. Next is 90 and 90. So and its dia is 82 mm. I'm going to again select right plane, sketch, control 8, circle from origin. This is of its dia is 82, so let's mention its dia as 82 and then extrude it up to 440 plus 90 plus 90. Simply 440 plus 90 plus 90. And okay, one more thing, I have just missed a part. In boss extrude first, I have to extrude it by mid plane. No, that's right. Now next is exit from this sketch and edit its sketch 2 and simply go to extrude boss base. Same, we are going to use mid plane throughout our tutorial, and this one is of 440 plus 90 plus 90. It will manage by itself. So okay, now next is this final part which is of its die is where's its die is 78. So 78, again right plane, sketch, control 8, circle of dia, mention as 78. Okay, features extrude. Now 78 and it is extruded up to 110, so simply add 110 in this, plus 110 and mid plane, so you can see. And okay, now it's done. It's showing its edges are chamfer 45 by 5 mm. For this, simply go to cross it, go to chamfer, select this edge 5 mm, select this edge and okay, this one is done. Now simply change its color. I'm going to take same color, this green, and okay, change its appearance, perspective, plain white, and again point. And now control is to save this part. Okay, make a folder as cart, and in cart it's part 1. Okay, now part 1 is ready. Moving to part 2, which is this excel. First of all, its dia is 95 by 440. Same procedure, part okay, and same right plane, sketch and circle off from origin, draw a circle, smart dimension, mention dimension as 95 mm. Go to features, extrude boss base is 440. Keep remind to change these to mid plane and 440. Yeah, it's 440. Okay, now again right plane, sketch another circle from origin. You can simply draw from here or press Ctrl 8 to take it to normal. Its dimension is 55 dia and total is 560. 50 dia, so smart dimension and mention is as 50 mm and total length is 560. So features 560 and select mid plane. Okay, there is no chamfer in this. No, here is a chamfer of 5 mm and 45. So for this chamfer, select this edge, it's 5 mm by default. Select this edge and okay. Now change its color to from edit appearance to this blue. Okay, okay, this one is good. Go to perspective, plain white, and again 3.8, and I'm going to simply isometric view and Control S. It's part 2. Okay, now close it and new part. And the next part 3 is this support, right and left support. For this I'm again going to now I can select front or right plane, it's up to me. I'm going to draw on front plane, sketch. To sketch this I'm taking this as my origin. So let's just start 1 circle, 2 circle and 3 circles. 1 circle and 2 circle. These 2 circles are of same size, 80 mm, 80 mm. So I'm making these two, and these are 750 mm apart. First of all, escape, select these two, make relation equal. Okay, and smart dimension, its dimension is 80 mm and distance between their centers is 750. Yeah, it's 750. Now I'm going to draw this outer sketch roughly. So I'm going to select line command. Yeah, line command, simple line. From here, vertical line, horizontal, again go to vertical. Look here, it's now we can flit this side. So I'm going to just make it a sharp edge from here to here, again down, same here. Now for right, this much, and this is, yeah, I'm going to just end this line. Now this line, horizontal, vertical, and again horizontal. This step is basically a step, one here and here, and now okay, escape. Now smart dimension, make relations here as this total height is 500, so this one is of 500. Okay, now next is 500, next is 550. Distance between these two is 550. This distance is of 550. Okay, now next is this height is of 200, this height is of 200. Okay, and next is, let's find something. is 200 and is also 200, so this is of 200, and this should be of 200 as both are same, so it should be of 200. Okay, one more thing, as you can see is going to be, for this I'm going to mention some relation as this height is 100 mm, so make this as 100 mm step by step. uh, Smart dimension, this side is of 100 mm. Okay, now next is the total is 400. Total is 400 means from here to here distance is 400. It's 400 basically, 400. This one should be of 200, another will become 200 by itself. So next is I have to simply make now smart dimension, close a smart dimension. Now the circle center and find the midpoint, vertical, and now uh, next is to its height is 100 mm. I have put no, so put its height as 100 mm, 100 mm. Okay, this one is also of 100 mm. Okay, next is find the distance as 300 and 400, 500. That means the lower distance you can see here is 100 mm, so we can mention as smart dimension origin, and this line distance is 100 mm. Now it's done. Next is we have to draw this line, this circle, sorry, this circle, and so make a circle horizontal, vertical to the lower circle, and its dimension is 60 mm dia, and distance between these two circles is 300 mm. Here to here is 300, and there is one more circle which is of 50 mm. Circle, select circle, just roughly one smart dimension. This is of 50 mm dia. Next is it's 150 mm from this center of circle, 150. So from this center to this center height is 150. And one more thing, the distance between these two circles horizontally is 250. So from here and this is 250. Okay, now next is to make an arc here. This arc is of 380 mm radius. Arc, simply I'm going to select arc from here, center point arc or 3-point arc. It should be good to, okay, center point arc. Let's try center point arc. I'm going to select center point arc from here. I'm going to select here and here. Okay, now mention its dimension as 380 radius. Its radius is 380. Okay, now escape, select this point, press Ctrl, select this point, and make merge, and okay, enter. Now select this point and press Ctrl this point and make relation merge. Okay, now this is done. Now only thing left is the flits. First make it clear so you can understand these dimensions. Okay, hope so you can understand these all. First of all, where is the his 20 radius of flat, 20 first go to features. Oh, okay, sketch flat, flat, this one and this one of how much is this? It's 20 radius, 20 radius. And okay, now next is one is done. Now find the next one. Radius is here, radius of 40 this one and this one, 40 mark 40, this one and this one. Okay, now next is this is 20, so that all are of 20. Again make 20, this one, this one, this one. Okay, no problem. This one, no problem. This one, this one, this one, and the last one. All has been done. So okay, now all has been done, so we can extrude it up to 50 features. Close it, extrude, extrude up to 50 50 okay. Now this is done. Simply change its appearance. It's going to be red. Okay, perspective same to same for all, plain white and 3-point fade, zoom to fit and isometric. It's done. Control S, and it's part 3 of our cart. Close. Now next is part 4, which is the wheel. For wheel, we are going to draw first. Let's select part. Okay, and we are going to draw on front plane, sketch. For wheel, first we are going to draw this inner circle, one circle. For select circle, one circle, make another circle for this direction, and make 4 circles over it. Third circle, and the last one is 4 circle. Escape, select these 4 circles and make a relation equal. Now give them directions, as the inner one is of 78 dia, 78 dia. The direction circle is of 200 dia. This one is of 200 200. Okay, and these circles are of 62 dia, 62. Okay, and the outer dia, this one is of, let's find, it is of 340. It's of 340. So another circle from origin, and its dia is 340. Okay, I'm going to extrude it up to 90 features, extrude, and mid plane, select contours, this one and this one, and 40 and 90 it's of 90 and okay. Now next is again front plane, sketch, control 8, and now the final one is of 500 mm. Simply circle from origin, and its dia is from smart dimension. It's of 500 mm. Okay, features extrude boss base. The total is of, we can find the total width from here. It's 20 plus 20 40. That's mean total will be 130. Extrude it up to 130 mm from mid plane. And okay, one more thing is left as control 8. Select again circle, make a circle of same. Now we can extrude 90 and it's 130. Now finally we are going to chamfer these as this side, and the outer one similarly rotate and mention it as 20 mm. Rotate it. We have to chamfer this edge and this edge. All are of 20 mm. So okay, now this wheel is done. Change it to isometric view, change its color preference, and this black. Okay, perspective and plain white, and then 3 point. Now it's done. Control S, part 4. Now the last, I think, yes, that's the last part, part 5. We are going to draw these. First we are going to sketch circle from origin. This one is of smart dimension. Its dia is of 110 mm, and we have to extrude it up to let's say it's 4 mm. So simply extrude it up to 4 mm. Okay, we have to extrude it up to 4 mm. It's not 10, 4 mm. Now next is select this part, sketch, control 8. Next is for this it's 160, circle, same from origin, it's smart dimension, it's of 160 mm, and extrude it up to we have to extrude it up to it's 25. That means we have to extrude it up to 50. 25 plus 25, we have to extrude it up to 50. And okay, now next is we have to make its flit. Simply flit, I want complete. Select this face. For this select this one, and the last select this face, and okay, it's flitted. Now next is this side as it's 250 mm dia and it's 550 mm apart. So I'm going to take a reference plane. It should be of 550 plus 4. Let's see, it's 550. It's 550 mm apart. So reference plane from right plane at a distance of 550, and okay, simply sketch, control 8. We have to draw a circle similarly from origin, and its dia is 250 mm. Smart dimension is of 250 mm dia. And circle, draw a circle from where we have to extrude. We want to extrude from here. And one more thing, it's done. Let's see, we have to draw a line, but first let me show you. If I want to exit a sketch, we have an option lifted boss base. Okay, this circle I've made this by mistake. Delete this. Okay, I have to simply convert its entities. Sketch, convert it into this. Okay, we will draw here. Features, lifted boss base. It's asking me two profiles. I have one profile here, but not here. For this, okay, I have deleted this from here too. First, sketch here, circle from origin to this inner circle. Now escape, select this plane, sketch, same thing as we have done, because I have deleted this by mistake from origin. Its diameter is 250 mm. And now next I have to draw, see, if I go to lifted boss base, I select this sketch, and this sketch is going to be extrude, and you can see it's same as this one. So I'm going to okay, but you can see if I just rotate it, it's not going to be straight for this. I'm going to control Z. And the one more thing which is important, I am selecting front plane, sketch, control 8. So let's see, line command from the edge to the circle edge. Okay, now exit sketch, and again lifted was base. Guideline has been selected. Now for this sketch, select this circle and this circle. Now see the difference is it's smooth. That's why we have to make a direction line, or you can say hide this plane, hide, and okay. Now next is this extrude is of 200 mm. So extrude it. Features, edit sketch, convert entities. Features, extrude up to 200 mm, and okay, it's simple. Now next is there is a step. For a step, I'm going to simply draw 80 mm, and its step is find the diameter. It's 200 mm, so it's easy for us. Control 8, sketch, circle of 200 mm. Its die is 200 mm. Okay, and features, we have to extrude first is of 80. Simply extrude it up to 80 mm, and okay, say it's extruded. Now select this face again, sketch, and now the next circle is of where's the dimension, it's same 200. And the next is this flit should be of 25 and 25, that's mean 50. So 250, we have to make a circle of 250. Circle from origin, smart dimension, and it's of 250 mm dial, and extrude up to 50. So it should we can flit it. Again select this sketch, circle from origin, and it's of 200, and we have to extrude up to, this one is done. Now this is 200, we have to extrude up to 200. And okay, next is again a step of this flit, like so. Again sketch this face, sketch, circle, select circle from origin, this is of 250 mm, 250 mm dia, and we have to extrude similarly 50 mm. So it 50, it's not 500, 50, so it can be flit. Now the next is for this we can simply 150 mm, and it's at a distance of 150 mm. So I'm going to select now I'm going to draw flits, flit, flit of same the last one, full round flit, this edge, next this upper edge, rotate it, last one this, and okay, again flit, this one, next selection, top face, rotate it, last one, okay, and yes. Now select for this circle 150 mm, I'm going to reference geometry plane from here 150 mm distance, and okay, select this one, sketch, convert into this, sketch, and convert into this. Now it's done, exit sketch, select this plane, sketch, and control it. Now for this I'm going to draw a circle of 140 mm from here to here, smart dimension, it's of 140 mm. Okay, next it's very smooth for this top plane, or I can select front plane, sketch, control 8. No, I'm going to take this front plane, sketch, control 8, line command, zoom here, so it's easy to make. From this edge find the edge, from this edge find the edge of circle, here is the circle, okay, skip. Now again same feature, lifted boss base, the guideline has been selected for this, like this circle, and the one more, okay, now it's done. Only next is this is of, let's find the here the same height from here to here, same is 110 mm dial. For this select this face, sketch, circle of 110 dial, And features, we have to extrude, but how much? 57, it's here. Extrude up to 57. Okay, select the plane and hide it. Next is this dome. We can make this dome by, it's quite simple. Select this face, insert, features, here's the dome. Increase its distance 100 mm. Now it's looking good. The next, isometric view, and change its appearance to, okay, this pink color is showing our line. We have to hide it. We can hide it, but not now. Perspective, go to select perspective, plain white and 3-point fade. Now it's done. Control S, downloads, and here is the card. Okay, everything is done. Now come here, assembly. We are going to start assembly, so new, and this time select assembly. First I'm going to insert this red colored part, which is the support. First cancel. The most important step in assembly, go to visibility and view origin. Okay, now browse part 3 and put it origin here. Look, if you want to put these both origins on each other, you have to just move your cursor to these. It will automatically fix your both origins. Okay, now it's done. The next is to copy. For copy, press Ctrl, select this and just move it, and escape Control. Now next is to, here this green colored access. For this, go to assembly, insert component, this green colored part 1, move component, rotate component, and rotate it. Okay, for now press Ctrl, click over it and copy it. The next is mate. We have to mate this one, okay, concentric, this one and this one, concentric. Okay, next is we want to this one and this one. Okay, it can move this one and this one, so it will be concentric. Now select this part. Okay, first go to advanced mates, width mate. Now face 1 has been selected, rotate it and select this face. Now for this one, select and this one, and okay. Similarly, again width mate, this side, rotate, select this. Now next select this one, rotate, press alt, and hover over it. Now we are going to meet this, select meet. Okay, select this face, this one. Okay, now select this face, rotate and select this one. Okay, next is same, select this face, select this one, and okay, it should be done by this side. Okay, now you can do it mate, select this face, select this one, and okay, now mates have been done. Next is this blue colored shaft for this insert component, part 2, put it anywhere, go to move component, rotate, and rotate it like this, escape. Similarly mate this one and the top one, select this, no, escape, again go to mate, select this face, yeah, now that's right, select this, and okay. Now the next is, you can see it's this one, select this one, rotate, and select this one. Okay, now it's done. The next is this last part 5, for this insert component, part 5. Okay, one thing we have left, yeah, we have left one thing, skip open part 5. We have skipped a step. Here is a hole of 95 degrees for this front plane. Sketch, control 8, circle, find the midpoint, here's the midpoint, make a circle of 95 mm dia, 95 mm, and go to features, extrude cut through all both, and okay. Now press Ctrl S and close it. Again insert component. Now select part 5, and here is a hole for us. Meet this one and this one, okay, and here it's done. The next is no, insert component, our wheels, part 4. First copy it, 1 2, now 3, and press Ctrl and here 4. Similarly mate this one and this one concentric, okay, this one and this one, okay, this one and this one concentrics, all are concentrics, okay, this one, rotate it, and this one, all are concentrics. Now next is rotate it, select this face, rotate it, zoom this one, and okay, let's see. Oh no, we have to put it right here. Close this origin and made this all as same. Take out it here, select this one, rotate, zoom it, this face, and okay, I have made a mistake, face not, we have to select this side, and okay, Now next is this one. Select this one. Similarly, select this, zoom and select this. All have been done. Now our isometric, our card is ready. It shall be moved. So hope you guys can enjoy this tutorial. It's quite simple. We are just using mates command for assembly. If further you have queries, then you can ask me. If you like the tutorial, so share to your friends and also subscribe to cadcam. Thank you.